Hi, I'm Kathleen and welcome to my channel. Today I filmed a short video for you demonstrating how you can safely pack and ship your paintings in a mailing tube and have them arrive to your collectors still in the mailing tube and in one piece. This will be especially helpful for those of you who have collectors overseas and you want to ensure that your paintings arrive to them in the same condition that they were in when you sent them. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. For this demo, I have a standard mailing tube, and this is the kind that has the little plastic end cap in either side. I have this PVC piping that I got from the hardware store, and this, as you can see, is quite a bit narrower than my mailing tube, and that's because I am going to be using the pipe as a core for wrapping my canvases around. So my paintings will be wrapped around this pipe so that this will keep them from getting creased or folding or just getting damaged during shipping. It'll keep them nice and tight in a roll. I have this piece of cardboard here, and this is just from an old box. I have scissors and I have a pen. I'm going to take this end cap out of the mailing tube like that and put this to the side. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to trace the end cap. Just like that. And then I'm gonna make a bigger, doesn't even have to be perfect, but kind of a circle around the inner circle. And after I'm done with that, I'm now going to cut out around the outer circle, just like this. And now I'm just going to go around the entire circle, and I'm going to cut slits from the outer circle almost to the inner circle. So when I'm done cutting all these slits, this piece will now look like a starburst. I'll repeat this process with another piece of cardboard so that I have pieces that fit over both sides of the mailing tube. My paintings have already been removed from their stretcher bars, and I've let them sit for a few days to flatten out. Shipping my paintings this way will not only save my collector a lot of money, but it will also ensure that the paintings do not arrive with damaged corners or broken stretcher bars. I've now placed a piece of glassine on my table, and I have laid my painting over the glassine. The glassine is cut so that there's a slight border around all edges of the painting, and I'm simply flipping my painting over and layering my other paintings on top with a piece of glassine in between each painting. I'm now going to place my PVC pipe on my paintings. And as you can see, it is wider than the paintings. And I am simply going to just very carefully and slowly roll the paintings around the tube. It's important to have the painted sides of the canvas facing outward, otherwise you'll risk the paint cracking. And now, because I have so many paintings that I'm shipping, I've added another piece of glassine to the table, and now my canvas, a second piece of glassine, and a smaller canvas. And now I'm just continuing to roll them around the previously rolled canvases. This roll can now be placed securely into the mailing tube. You can now add the plastic end caps and tape them into place. I'm now ready to add my cardboard starburst to either side of the tube over the end caps and tape them into place. As you can see, I've now added the cardboard starburst to either side of these mailing tubes, and I have secured them in place with tons of packing tape. And now there's just no way that these are going to open up and that the contents will fall out, which will make for a very happy collector. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my content. Thank you.